I didn't even mention it.
I forgot to mention you'd be in the rice
I never
patties.
even mentioned it.
It wasn't on the brochure at all.
Mga kabilyaran, tong titirahin kong magic shot na mapapanood nyo ngayon ay isa sa pinakamahirap kong ginawa. Ano sa palagay nyo kung bakit ganyan ang diskarte ko sa tira na yan? Paki-comment sa ibaba at babasahin ko. Yung pinakatamang sagot ay i-shoutout ko sa next video.
So much was said.
Can you just go with a high soft cue ball and have the 3 track toward the other corner?
I don't think he can hold it.
Yeah.
I think it goes big enough for it to come out.
Like he's hitting it harder.
See what? But he missed it.
He's still
Swerte.
play, huh?
You go for it.
Or is he going to bank it?
As well as he banks, I think he's he really.
Nice shot.
I see. Player, he shouldn't be.
What an unlucky.
He can't shoot no more, so what am I gonna do?
That's awful scary.
Set the table.
Those got to get rid of.
Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Sports Hub Reaction and Commentary Videos. For today's reaction video, pag-usapan natin itong isang invitational match laban ni Efren Bata Reyes dito kay Lucas Werner, no? Isa sa pinakamagagaling na billiard and pool hustler sa US. Dito nga in-invite si Reyes sa isang laban na 9-ball race to 7 match mga kabilyard. At ito nga yung Battle of the Pool Hustlers sa final match na sila. Makikita natin dito, ito yung 9-ball race to 7 with the winner's break format. At ang mananalo dito sa invitational match na ito ay mag-uuwi ng $30,000 cash prize, no? So tingnan natin kung gaano kahusay itong kalaban ni Reyes na ito na si Lucas Werner. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at pakihit na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod nating videos. Mag-like at mag-iwan ng comment kung taga saan kayo para ma-shoutout ko naman mga fans ko dyan.
He's going to probably go through the gate there.
Oh, he missed
How'd
it.
he miss?
He
Wow.
was trying-
At dito nga sa rack number 1 nito mga kabilyard, nagbintis sa side pocket itong si Werner. Mapapansin natin back to table itong si Efren Reyes. Sa kasalukuyang edad ni Reyes sa panahon na yan ay nasa 68 years old na siya mga kabilyard, no? Mukhang talagang pahirapan na rin sa vision itong si Reyes. Pero ganun pa man, nilabanan niya pa rin itong sikat na pool hustler sa US, no? Itong si Lucas at batang-bata pa, pero tingnan natin kung uubra siya dito sa The Magician. Maganda ang pinapakitang tira ni Reyes dito sa rack number 1. Panoorin natin kung ma-run out niya ito at maka first blood si Reyes.
Justin, I don't know what they're playing for. I know there's money, but I don't know what the number is.
An exhibition with some pretty good benefits. And I know there's a lot of rail action out there as well. How much of it involves the players, I don't know.
Fuck, it sure do look small.
Yeah.
This monitor.
At dito nga mukhang abante na si Reyes ng isang puntos, no? Makikita natin na tutok na itong 9 doon sa corner pocket. At mukhang si Reyes ang makaka first blood dito sa race to 7 match ni Lucas Werner. At dito nga $30,000 no, ang pinaglalabanan nila dito mga kabilyard. Nanalo sa rack 1 si Reyes at nag-break, walang pumasok, kaya back to table itong si Lucas Werner. Tingnan natin kung makabawi siya ng puntos dito mga kabilyard. So baybayan pa rin natin to.
Three. Yeah, he was bringing it in. Well, he would like to hit two first. Oh, he played safe.
Good pocket shot.
That was
pretty dang
that
good.
was great. Nice shot.
It's a wall of balls right there.
That's smart and went out.
Is he the greatest of all time? He's probably got to be the greatest kicker of all time.
Can't believe anyone's any better.
Oh, made that.
Good. It's trying to make.
You never know.
No, you're right. You're right. Never.
You never know with him.
But he could, how would he get to do it? Effort. Can't be. Three cushion. Two.
Oh yeah,
I thought
1 cushion, 3 cushion, balk line.
I think
It's
balk
everything. Imagine. Right? Or yeah, is that chess might be his all-time favorite game. He is a thinking man. Oh, that was another good one. Might have let it run too far.
it looks like he can hit it because he's not looking at the kicking. Looks
Yeah,
like
if he
he's looking right at it.
if he left it up the other end of the table, where
Wow.
it would have been much better.
From this big monitor, it looks impossible. No, it doesn't look good on this one either. But yet he looked like he was looking right at it.
I think he's gonna have to hit down by the right counter.
Split those balls. Actually, you know what? It wouldn't be so bad to just give him a ball in hand here. Because it doesn't go in anywhere except the side. And I'm
Oh,
thinking,
he's gonna have to bank it or play another safety.
hey, look, he's going right at it, Brian. So he must have.
Oh, he's got it. Okay.
Yeah, if-
No, he didn't have it. He didn't.
I'm guessing he was trying to bank the two cross.
At dyan nga mukhang hindi tinamaan ni Reyes no yung object ball niya, kaya na foul siya dyan. Ball in hand advantage dito kay Werner. Makikita natin mukhang meron chance ngayon si Werner na makabalik sa table, at ito mukhang ibabang shot niya itong ball number 2 para makaposisyon siya dito sa ball number 3. So tingnan natin mga kabilyard kung magagawa niya ng paraan ito, at makikita natin talagang yun, sumablay si Werner doon, mukhang makapal yung tira, kaya back to table itong si Reyes.
Look at how they're cut. They are like 4 and 1/8 inch.
They look tough.
Out there, don't forget to like, share, definitely share. Everyone and anyone that you know likes pool.
I think he left him an opening, Brian.
He might have that window. Maybe not to make it, but you can probably.
If he can hit full, he can just stop.
Yep.
But can he get past that second? Oh, he's kicking. Must not be able to hit it.
And not a hard ball to hit.
I would kick real soft. No, he's not going to get it.
No rail.
Oh, that's soft. At that distance, you really have to have a perfect table. On 3. You playing for the ball, Brian? Or is he going to duck? Can't see him ducking.
Looks like he's playing.
Sweet.
Got in there pretty good.
Yeah, he's left.
He can go opposite hand pretty good.
Yeah. Did you remember he's just
Oh yeah, he's a short guy, so a long way to go. Yeah, we were just talking about it the other day. I watched Lucas play a friend of ours, Pete Genovese, who's a very capable guy. Lucas played the whole set left-handed, which is his opposite hand. That's not going to fall.
well. Lucas 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't see a problem. I think effort's got to hope it's funny.
At doon nga, sumablay pa rin si Reyes, no? Medyo magipit talaga yung corner pockets nila dito mga kabilyard, at nagkakikip-lahanging itong mga bola na pinapasok nila. Ganun pa man, nakakuha ng magandang opportunity itong si Werner para makarun out dito sa rack number 2, no? Tingnan natin kung maubos niya itong natitirang bola para sa rack number 2 at maka-abante siya ng 1 puntos. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Little rail.
Yes, I didn't know.
Oh, he wanted to get upside. Okay, nice.
Yeah, Reyes asked her when she played lefty.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, he was beating up on Pete Genovese. It was interesting to see.
Did you want to win it?
The first one he did, and I left midway through the second. He didn't look much different, is my point.
He looks pretty comfortable lefty.
Left played quite good.
This was the only hope I think Effort had was the Lucas would get bad on the 8 so he can't get down the 9.
Uh-oh.
That's his only hope.
I think he still got it.
Oh, yeah. The small man, easy.
Yeah, he's got that.
At dyan nga mga kabilyard, no, makikita natin talagang mahusay din at expected na dito sa full player na ito. Talagang napakahusay din naman at magaling din yung kanyang mga strategy, no, sa pagbibilyard. At dito last ball siya para sa rack number 2. Mukhang abante ng 1 punto si Werner dito. At dito nga tabla tayo ng score mga kabilyard. All 1 ang score natin dyan. At makikita natin na sa table pa rin itong si Werner, siya ang magbe-break sa rack number 3. Dahil nga winners break format ito, so si Werner pa rin ang magbe-break. Sa break na yan, tingnan natin kung may papasok. At dito nga mukhang malabong pumasok yan, kaya dry break yan, back to table si Reyes.
And I'm not as fond of those, although we saw him almost run a set using that cut break one time. But he's got a cannon for a break.
You know what the last cap was for the last edition? Oh, I see.
Yeah, Salato. They are one of our sponsors. They sponsor our list.
It looks pretty good here.
Yeah, 3. I don't see.
Could get out.
These are 3. He's going to hit the point, or is he going to get back? It's by the point, I think. Oh, he missed it. Oh, but he picky the 4 ball.
Yeah, now he's got a...
At dyan nga sa tira na yan, mukhang hinarangan, no? Tumama doon sa ball number 4. At dito tingnan natin kung makakuha ng chance si Reyes na makapenetrate siya dyan sa tira na yan. At doon nga napakaswabe nung tira ni Reyes na yun mga kabilyard, no? Makikita natin yung husay at galing ni Reyes sa mga tirang ganun. Tingnan natin kung ma-run out niya itong rack number 3. Sundan pa rin natin mga kabilyard.
I'd have to come across twice here.
Yeah, he's just going to bounce out. Look at how he makes it.
Oh, on this monitor, it looks less severe. Sorry.
He just makes it always on the right side. Never has to throw a ball around the table. For the knee. And that's a table to. Efren's about 69 or
68, I believe. August. Yeah, 68.
Tulad ng inaasahan ito, last 2 ball na lang si Reyes at medyo mahirap pa rin yung posisyon nitong 8, pero ganun pa man sa ganyang klaseng anggulo, kayang-kaya na ni The Magician yan at doon nga pumasok yung 8 at tutok pa rin ang 9 dito sa corner pocket. Mukhang abante ng 1 pang puntos itong si Reyes dito sa rack number 3 mga kabilyard, no? At yun nga, tinira niya, pumasok yung 9. 2-1 ang score natin, si Reyes pa rin ang magbe-break sa rack number 4.
Yeah, I think if Effort ever had any part of his game that wasn't great, he didn't have the breaks like.
And he got past it.
Well, he beat the whole world with a break, but I wonder how would have broke like. He just got air over himself. In Vietnam, Efren's popular. I spent about a year in Vietnam a long time ago. I didn't see a lot of pool.
They had you doing something else, right?
I was busy. Yeah. Pretty beautiful country. Didn't get to play pool.
Bobby and I have talked about it before. He told me his recruiters promised him that him and his buddies that went in with him were going to get nice apartments.
Yeah. Surprise.
Yeah.
I didn't even mention Vietnam.
Forgot to mention you'd be in the rice
They never
paddies.
even mentioned it.
It wasn't on the brochure at all.
This one, he's gonna make the. Where's the three gonna?
Is the three going to head toward the other
I think
corner?
Okay.
Well, if anybody can control it, this is the
It
guy.
looks like it's gonna go down the table. If that's the case, you gotta get that cue ball somewhere in the center.
Can you just go with a high soft cue ball and have the three track toward the other corner?
Yeah, but I don't think he can hold it.
Yeah.
I think it angle's big enough for it to cut him out.
Like he's hitting it harder.
See, he missed it. But
He's still shooting.
At doon nga mukhang tuwang-tuwa si Reyes, no? Hindi niya akalaing maibibigay pa nung sa yung 3 sa corner pocket sa ibaba. Dahil dyan nagkaroon ng magandang tira si Reyes. Palagay ninyo mga kabilyard, isa bang intentional yun or fluke shot lang? Paki-comment nyo dyan sa ibaba.
hey, I played effort one time, and he missed a ball in hand against me. But to this day, anytime I miss an easy shot, I think about effort, missed the ball.
I'm shooting just like that.
And all he did was smile when he did it.
Well, that's what you got to love about the guy. You know, he's always pretty even keeled man.
And he smiles. Most players now look like they're miserable out there, except for the Filipinos.
Yeah.
At dito nga mga kabilyard, tulang ng inaasahan natin, no? Last 3 balls si Reyes, pasok yung sa tutok pa itong 7 sa side pocket. Mukhang maganda yung pinapakitang cue ball positioning dito ni Reyes. Konting push lang ito, nakatutok na rin yan dito sa 9 mga kabilyard, no? Ito nga, pinaikot pa ni Reyes yung tira na yan at talagang gusto niyang lumabit lang doon sa kanyang position na tinitira. Aiming siya ngayon dito sa last ball sa rack number 4. 9 yan mga kabilyard, no? Pasok yung 9. At yun nga, 3-1 na yung score natin. Si Reyes pa rin ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 5. Kaya sundan pa rin natin yan mga kabilyard. Race to 7 ito at 3-1 na yung score.
Second time he broke, and they didn't come hurt.
I'd start questioning the racker right about now.
But you know, and I don't
It
disagree.
really is his break. I
But I
think.
think as he's getting, you know, I hate to tell you, the Boston Shorty was a great player. He played. You compare all time. He played
Yeah.
all pool games, and he was a 3-cushion champion. But Boston Shorty was a friend of mine. I really liked him.
I like that picture in my head of him climbing up on the table.
Oh, he climbed right up.
He was the perfect one to do it.
Right on that table. We didn't use bridges in the 70s and early 80s. We just climbed on the table. That was awful. I never used to hit jump shots.
Medyo mahusay yung pagkaka-play safe, no, ni Werner dito. Itinago niya sa cluster ng bola dito sa bandang ibaba. Makita natin yung galing ng play safe nitong si Werner. Tingnan natin kung matamaan ni Reyes ito. Mukhang alanganin yung posisyon ng cue ball. Mahirap sa mga kick shot, no? So magja-jump shot ba dito or mag-kick shot si Reyes? Panoorin natin yung discard niya.
The Z is a tough cut. This would be monumental if he made a Z shot here. He's going for the Z. Are you kidding me?
Well, he made the shot famous, didn't he?
Look at this guy. At least hit it. At least hit it.
At dito nga mukhang tagumpay sa play safe itong si Werner, no, na foul doon si Reyes, hindi niya tinamaan yung dos at ball in an advantage dito kay Werner. Mahusay din sa mga play safe itong si Lucas. Makikita natin bagamat bata pa ito pero mahusay na rin sa larangan ng billiards, no? At dito makikita natin hinamon pa niya si Reyes para dito sa laban na ito mga kabilyard. So maganda yung pinapakitang tira dito ni Werner. Panoorin natin yung diskarte niya.
I think like 22 or 23. He was a character too, which
Oh yeah.
you don't see much anymore of that. You know, something interesting. I played that for a couple times. Gambled. I never saw him miss a combination.
Oh, he can make combos. Oh my God.
off angle,
Yeah.
just 2
With
feet.
distance combos. Yeah, I've seen it all.
He knew he was going to beat me anyhow, so he didn't. It was loose, but I've never seen anybody make combinations like he did against me. Both times I played him. And Hector, you're right. Boston Shorty was a great player. And he was a great character.
Speaking of Jimmy Mattia, I saw his ex-wife last night. He was back on ESPN. They reran that Jeanette Lee story. Yeah, she was on there.
She was in that.
At dito nga mukhang ginantihan ng play safe ni Reyes, no? Itong si Werner, makita natin tinago niya dito sa likuran ng ball number 4. Itong cue ball para makaganti nga sa ginawang play safe kanina ni Werner. So tingnan natin kung si Werner naman ay maka-kick shot dito sa ball number 3.
I know you're not a big fan of pool names, but how funny is the striking Viking? Oh my God,
I'm not
funny.
funny of the pool player's nickname. They were trying to copy the wrestler. Still here. I wonder if he's looking at 3-9, trying to cue ball 3 rails, put it behind the sticks. I don't see if he's going to be offensive, what he can do.
Can you get the cue ball down under the 4 ball?
Over here,
You'd have to like
I don't see it.
big feather job on it.
I don't think that close. I think he's looking for something aggressive before he decides. I still think he might play the 3. If the 9 goes by the 4, no,
He's calling it.
But he had to easily get the cue ball up there behind the 6-8. I assume. You know, that's the reason I think you shoot a combination is if you like cue ball.
Yeah. And by the way, guys, I didn't mention at the beginning they are playing Call the 9.
Cue ball. That was the whole shot was a cue ball. I Merrick would have shot that
Oh, every day.
about 4 or 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, he wouldn't have gave it that much thought.
He wouldn't have done anything else.
The scary thing is he might have made it. Yeah. Got a high pop percentage.
That's what.
Hey, thank you everybody for joining us tonight on the Shark Stream. This is Brian the Kickin' Chicken. I'm sitting here with Bobby Hunt.
I see Kenny Litz is only playing one pocket at every city. Well, I don't know what he's playing. He can play every event. Doesn't have to pay for it because he's a past champion.
Right. Yeah.
I think in one pocket, only real chance to still be a winner.
We were talking about the over-under on how many people would share his room with him. He's such a generous guy. You know, he's got the entire
Oh,
contingency.
these last couple of shots, Lucas has missed
Yeah.
badly.
At dyan nga mukhang nagmintis na itong si Werner at nakakuha ngayon ng magandang ball position si Reyes dito sa ball number 3. Makita natin talagang pahirapan sila doon sa play safe na yon. Ganun pa man, nanalo si Reyes sa play safe, kaya ito mukhang maganda itong table ngayon kay Reyes dahil open table na ito mga kabilyard, no? Tingnan natin kung ma-run out Reyes itong rack number 5.
It has to do with Warren Kiamko. Oh, I'm telling you.
I think he's going to try to go into that 6-8. Look like the 6 goes pretty soon.
Hector says we got 154 viewers on YouTube alone.
The 680.
Thanks for joining us, everybody. If you could like and share, let's make it bigger. We're shooting for 1,000.
We have 1,000.
Oh, we have 1,000.
680.
Oh, good.
Normally. Well, we got like 8.
Don't forget to like and share.
Yeah, like and share. Make it go bigger.
Get this out there.
The chicken and hi, Bobby. Hi, Kelly. How are you?
Hey, Kelly, haven't seen you in a little bit.
Hope you're doing well.
Yeah.
Haven't seen her in a lot. You know, I didn't like when he hit that. Whole body jumped up. It happened years ago.
Dalawang bola na lang si Reyes aiming sa 8 at yun nga talagang napakaganda ng pina na yun. Tutok pa itong 9, no, para sa corner pocket. Tingnan natin kung saan papadaanin ni Reyes ito, kung sa kaliwa o sa kanang pocket. Ito medyo sinipat ni Reyes para dito sa pina sa kanan, no. Tingnan natin kung maabot ni Reyes ito at may pasok niya mga kabilyard.
Efren wanted me to give a shout out to his sponsor, Puyat Sports from the Philippines. He playing safe. No, he back cut it. Oh, he left it
You
hanging.
know, it's too bad. He's had Lucas kind of on the road. This might pump.
At doon nga nag-cliffhang yung 9 sa corner at mukhang bonus na ito kay Werner May chance si Berner ngayon na makaabante pa ng isang puntos, no, dahil nga sa hindi pumasok yon. Ayun, pasok yung 9, 3-2 na score natin. Si Werner ulit ang nasa breaking advantage. Nakapag-free ng score doon si Berner na dahil sa hindi pumasok yung pina ni Reyes. At dito nga sa break na ito, medyo mahina at hindi kumalat yung mga bola. May mga cluster doon sa gitna, mga kabilyard. Medyo mahirap yung table na ito, so sundan natin kung anong diskarte ni Reyes dito sa rack number 6.
Lucas comes with a long shot. Break very well. And I don't know, can the 3 go on the side? But preference. Looks like it's in a bad spot. If that's the case, this is a tough run out.
Look forward to seeing you soon, Jason. Thanks for checking in.
This would be a great run. Great run.
Got John Ross here. He's an Aussie living in the Philippines. And he's quarantined on a ship in Singapore. Yeah, we know you're not from around here because you spelled harbor wrong. Put that extra British U in there.
Oh, boy.
I hope you get off the quarantine ship soon.
He butchered that shot. The 1% he just showed it. 18,000.
Thank you, Christopher.
Man,
Yeah, that's pretty good.
got almost as many friends as Bobby Hunt.
My friends are old friends. I can't really count on them.
What a nice touch corner you're going for. The one by the 8. Yeah,
Left.
yeah.
And when I see the
Hey, he slow rolls.
slow roll, nice shot.
At dyan nga sa pag-shoot sa side pocket, medyo maganda yung pinakitang tira dito ni Werner, no? Makikita natin yung husay at galing nitong batang pool master na ito dyan sa US. Talagang hustler din, no? Napakaganda at napaka-precise ng kanyang mga tira. So tingnan natin tong rack number 6 kung ma-run out niya at tumabla dito sa score na 3-2.
Texas Q Sports. Efren and Luca, I believe, are going to do.
Yeah, they both are. Well, here's where those young eyeballs come into play, huh?
You go for it.
Or is he going to bank it?
As well as he banks, I would think he really
Nice shot.
I see.
At napakahusay nung ginawang reverse bank doon ni Werner. Talagang nakakuha pa siya ng magandang ball position, no? Mahusay talaga itong pool master na ito na hustler dyan sa US. At dito makikita natin may chance ngayon si Werner na tumabla sa score, no? Dahil nga lamang si Reyes ng isang puntos dito, 3-2. At yun nga, nakaganda ng posisyon itong tira ni Werner na yan. Pasok yung 9, all 3 na tayo mga kabilyard, no? Mukhang balikatan yung laban dito. Si Werner ngayon ang merong breaking advantage sa rack number 7. So kalahati na ito mga kabilyard. Tingnan natin kung sino ngayon ang makakaabante sa rack number 7. No, pumasok yung 8 sa corner pocket. Medyo alanganin yung position ng 1. Humarang itong 9. So tingnan natin kung mag-push or mag-play safe muna dito si Werner. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
I'm assuming he's going to push here. We missed it. What happened to long in the end?
Thanks for tuning in, Daniel from Indiana. Really appreciate it. How you doing, Pat?
Can you look? I was looking, picking it.
Hey, we got an Oklahoma.
Trying to make the
Think so.
aim it like
It's got some distance.
the 4-7. I think the problem right now is making the first shot.
Right, getting started.
Oh, Kentucky, Indianapolis.
We're all over
I
the
know.
place. Hey, thank you. Aloha.
In the end, what?
We have another Portugal.
George,
Hugo, you know our buddy George Texiera.
he's going to try to come with a long shot because the two ball pitch position is pretty simple. Make the shot for. And funny as you get older, those long shots get.
I don't think anyone likes to be over the rail like that.
No, but I do think as you get older, you really do look. You're not always hitting exactly what you like. It's,
To your point, Joe, yeah. You're working with like 1/3 of the top of the ball. That's it. Nice shot.
you're welcome, everybody. Enjoy the stream.
At dyan nga nakakuha ng panibagong momentum itong si Werner dahil sa pagkakamaling play safe ni Reyes na yon. At dito amang na amang no yung dos sa side pocket para naman sa tres. Makikita natin may advantage na maka-run out si Werner dito sa rack number 7.
Hey, right, just
See, it's
right.
Just not gonna block you.
Just be a good guy.
And, try not to up the F-bombs in here, and like here in the comments, we like to, having our audience engaged and talking. We didn't understand your first comment that you had made, so not paying or something, but it's fine. We're keeping you there. Just try and keep it clean. That's all we care about.
Have fun, everybody. That's what we're here for. So I guess he's going to take on the combo with the 5-7
Oh boy,
and the 7 and the 5 didn't cooperate.
it looks like he's
4 rather.
Looks
Sorry.
like at 4-7, Lucas was on a perfect line. You want to be almost straight in.
Is Efren gonna
There's no sense.
get position on the 5?
He's going to try to play for the 5-7.
Do we have no sound?
I know on YouTube.
Yeah, there you go. Nice play.
I'm gonna step out of the booth for a second and just check something really quick.
Thanks for letting us know. Well, that's a pretty steep cut here, but if he makes it, it'll be in good shape. You can't take any one of these shots on this table for granted. These pockets are unforgiving.
You know how mistake.
At dito nga mukhang nakabawi ng posisyon si Reyes. Last 2 balls siya dito sa rack number 7, no? At makikita natin yung pagkakamali ni Werner doon. Nag-take opportunity naman si Reyes. Kaya nandito siya ngayon sa last 2 ball rack 7. Makikita din natin dito mga kabilyar, talagang hindi pwedeng magkamali, no? Dahil konting pagkakamali lang talagang nag-uubos ng bola dito sa laban na ito. Ito last ball si Reyes para sa rack 7. Mukhang aabante ulit ng 1 punto si Reyes dito. At doon nga na ipasok niya yung 9, 4-3. Lamang si Reyes ng 1 puntos. Nag-break si Reyes dyan, mahina ang break niya, pero ito nga, dry break, walang pumasok. Unfortunately, nakadikit yung cue ball doon sa ball number 6, no? Kaya walang chance dito si Werner. Panoorin natin, mukhang magpupos si Werner dito mga kabilyard.
Well as anyone alive. I don't think a lot of people can do that.
His surgical game is second to none.
Just gives them the push.
Yeah, I don't think. Bengals. What's it?
1 to the 2 is possible.
Yeah.
But you're working
It goes by the 8.
You're just working with the top end of that cue ball. I guess he's going to just hope to float over beyond the 4.
Kevin Reese, this is in Wallingford, Connecticut.
Nice shot. Did just that. And he's got his 2-ball shot.
Yeah, he didn't want to be
It's a 9.5 footer.
He didn't want to be this close.
8.5 anyway. Yeah, it came. it came with an easy safety.
Great save.
Yeah, it's not too complicated to kick at it. And Lucas, honestly, he's a favorite to. Oh, he's going that way. I thought he'd go the other way.
This way, I think he's looking. Safe.
Yeah, more safe this way.
Dito nga, counter safety ang ginawa ni Berner, no? Ginamit niya itong cluster sa gitna para maitago niya itong ball number 2. Tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan ni Reyes itong play safe ni Berner.
No donation. Before it was.
Cliff, just give it to me tomorrow when you see me. You're not going to fall for that, huh?
Cliff might.
He might.
No,
Is that ball going in?
a
No.
little bit slow. So still a tough one. 3 quarter to 5, I think, is the real issue.
Yeah, that 5 is in trouble.
I think it's really good on the 5, 6, and 10. June.
Mukhang minalas na naman doon si Berner, no? Makita natin open na yun sa side pa, sa corner pocket, pero hindi pa rin pumasok. Nag cliff hang doon sa corner. Kaya ito, back to table si Reyes. Pero may cluster dito sa gitna. Itong 9, 7 at 6, no? Makita natin dyan, medyo alanganin yan. Tingnan natin kung ma-break ni Reyes yan, mga kabilyard.
This is spam right here.
Going past it.
On YouTube. Oh. Nice shot, Efren. Move that magic rack. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Out there watching, you're enjoying this, like, share.
Donate if you're so inclined. Hey, Jimmy Prather, how you doing, sir?
Be sure to subscribe. More subscribers we get, the more things like this we can get for you.
At dyan nga talaga napakahusay nung diskarte ni Reyes na yun. Nakakuha siya ng break doon at ito mukhang open table na, maganda yung layout at konting backspin lang ito para sa 8 mga kabilyard, no? At doon nga nag backspin si Reyes para sa position niya dito sa 8. Last 2 balls si Reyes sa rack number 8. Lamang siya ng 1 puntos at mukhang may chance pa na lumamang pa ng isa itong si Reyes. At dito nga last ball si Reyes para sa rack number 8 mga kabilyard, no? Mukhang pinapahirapan niya dito si Lucas Berner. At yun nga, pasok yung 9. 5-3 na score natin. Lamang na si Reyes dyan. Race to 7 lang ito mga kabilyard. Sa break ni Reyes na yan dyan sa rack number 9. Tingnan natin kung may papasok. Mukhang dry break. At yun, humarang pa yung 7 sa cue ball. At walang possible shot sa uno itong si Berner.
Every time he seems to stick Lucas behind a ball. I'm wondering if that's just his break.
Maybe that's his idea and stuff.
Why make a ball when you could stick him behind? Maybe he's just that good at breaking.
And this man saying Rica's underrated.
I don't know.
I think people do underrate him. I don't think most people realize, that he was Efren's. Most people now only know Efren.
Yeah, Parika 9 ball. I think he may have had an edge.
Yeah, Dak that and one pocket. Second to nobody. I played Pericle, one pocket. Gave me 9-7. Had a partner. Bruce. We're betting 100 a game. He beat me 9-0, 9-0, 9-4, 9-0, 9-1. So Bruce says to me, "Got to ask for more weight." I said, "I'm getting beat 9-0 every game. What do we ask for?" Where do you go from 9-0?
They can't go anywhere.
Yeah.
I got a nice story with Jose Parika, actually. Our good friend, New York Larry Gemler, who's 95 or 96 now. And in fact, I talked to him earlier today. He was at West End, right? He's practicing, playing in a tournament there, and he had a little time to kill. He was practicing on a table, and he said there was this guy standing off to the side watching me. Then finally, when I was done, I was walking by him and he says, "Hey, you have a nice stroke." Larry said, so I said, "Oh, you play pool?" The guy just smiled at him. He found out later
Oh,
it was Jose Perica. Yeah. Nice to get a compliment, Jose Perica. Oh, what do we got here? A little congestion.
this Lucy was looking for a date with my brother.
Oh, listen, we got everything in this chat tonight. I know he's a tall, good-looking guy. He's got a good job. Why not?
He broke up the only problem and left a pretty easy shot.
Absolutely.
Nice to look. Did he hit that?
We're in good shape here.
At dyan nga mukhang nakapag-asa, no? Nagkaroon na pag-asa ng tira itong si Berner dyan sa ginawang play safe ni Reyes. At dito mukhang maganda na yung layout ng table. May chance na ma-run out ni Berner ito at humabol pa ng isang puntos. 5-3 ang score, lamang si Reyes ng 2 points, no? Raise to 7. Tingnan natin kung makapagbalikatan pa itong si Berner dito sa lamang ni Reyes.
Hello, Michigan.
Oh, yeah, we're all over the place.
Hawaii, Greece,
Canada, Portugal, a couple of Portugals.
I got a message from Singapore last night. Want to know what time the stream
I
starts?
saw that.
Pretty cool.
I think Lucas is going to sail through these last couple of balls.
At dito nga tulad ng inaasahan, last two ball si Werner at inikot niya pa no yung cue ball para i-position ang maganda para sa 9. Mukhang aabante nga ng isang puntos itong si Werner dito at ito 5-4 na, lamang ni Reyes isa na lang. Si Werner ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 10. So mukhang balikatan talaga ito mga kabilyard, no? Raise to 7 lang ito pero mahusay din itong kalaban ni Reyes nito. Dito sa break niya sa rack number 10, tingnan natin kung may papasok. At dito nga mukhang alanganin, wala at available yung tira dito sa uno. Back to table si Reyes mga kabilyard, 5-4 ang score.
He gives away something. Using it.
Yes, Joe, plus shipping.
Yeah, we got the one ball set up nicely.
Go to the overhead to see what we're looking at.
He's still shooting.
Oh, look at that. He did it again. That's the second time he did that to Lucas.
Yeah, I don't think he's got this one ball though.
No, he's not out of the woods yet.
I'm looking at the 2-4. Can he make that?
Andy Downs agrees with you. He doesn't like that cut break.
I think his break is so good. He should stick with it.
Joe Bruin, it's Bobby Hilton. He's the runner of the Shark Stream. You can message him, send him a message, and he'll get one to you.
Even if he makes it, I don't think he can even make the combination of 2-4.
He's giving
He's
us a
got a
go.
pretty easy safe there.
Oh, he tried to slide it underneath. Still ended up with a great save.
Yeah, it came out really nice.
Let's go to the overhead, see if you can see exactly what he's looking at here.
I agree with you.
Hey, Andrew.
What's he going to do here?
Bobby's going to have to go over.
I don't know if he's kicking underneath.
Can he get to that long rail?
Is this a one pocket shot, Bob? Can he come underneath?
Not that I know.
That's what he's looking at. I think he's going to go 2 rails off the 4.
I think that's the only way you can hit it. But you know what? Looks maybe trying to thin the two.
Yeah, that's the one pocket
wow.
shot I was talking to you.
Oh, I said it.
Yeah,
So you're saying playing it over there?
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't think it went. So let's see. Like he's gonna be. Looks like he's straight on the 2. If that's the case, getting on that 3 is not.
well, he's going to either draw into the rail where the cue ball is.
At dito nga mga kabilyard, makikita natin talagang nakakuha ng may chance si Reyes no na makapasok dito sa ball number 3 at kumuha siya ng pectus dyan at nag backspin siya. Aiming siya ngayon dito sa 3, mukhang alanganin, nakaharang yung 6 at tingnan natin kung anong diskarte ni Reyes dito mga kabilyard.
Does the 5 pass the 6?
You both going to want to run a little bit here, though. It's going to really.
It's going to go in the right direction.
Oh, five's up. Right, five's down by the side.
Yeah,
He didn't get started.
Oh, look at this.
He had the whole.
Leave him wide open here.
Yeah. Put your attention.
Well, what about the purple five though? How's it sitting on the
Looked to me
point
like
there?
it looked like it's off the point to me.
Yeah, for those of you guys that are watching, if you guys want to watch another great match on the Shark Stream, we did an Efren Earl match, and that's on the Shark Stream on Facebook and YouTube. You can go watch that as well. That was another one you guys did. That was a great matchup, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Gotta get past that. Thanks. Like you go.
Go to the overhead and see if we can see it. Looks like he can.
Just compress it a little bit. Oh, it goes, yep.
Farther than he wanted to, but I think he's okay.
He's still got angle to go toward the 7.
Yeah. Thanks, like.
At dyan nga mukhang nakakuha ng chance at momentum itong si Burner para tumablan, no? Makikita natin dito mga kabilyard, 5-4 na score natin at ito aiming siya dito sa 7. Tutok na itong 8 para sa side pocket at makita natin may chance ngayon na maka-abante ng 1 puntos at tumablan, no? Dito sa score na ito mga kabilyard.
Yeah, he will. Oh, Lucas is looking to break the tie.
They've been going back and forth. I don't know how.
Nice shot.
Right, Lucas.
Pasok yung 9, all 5 na tayo mga kabilyard at dito si Burner ang mayroong advantage sa break na yan. Makikita natin napakahusay talaga nitong bata na ito, no? Bagamat hindi ganun katandaan pero magaling na sa larangan ng pool at billiard at ito nga nag-hustling siya dito sa US at in-invite niya pa si Reyes para labanan niya sa international sa invitational match at pwedeng manalo ng $30,000 sa mga pustahan nila dyan mga kabilyard.
I'm almost by where that chalk is.
Yeah. It's hard to tell if he can get by the 8 or not. I think he can't get by the 8. Then he's really just gambling.
He missed
Hit
it,
nicely.
but he missed the ball.
He missed the ball.
I didn't see that. He hit it nice. Yeah.
Look how good he hit the cue ball. I mean,
He was perfect.
he couldn't have done that any better if you placed it with his hand.
Yeah, and it looks like Efren's got this ball, right?
I think the way he played. It's the way he played that. I'd stay if you want.
Yeah, I think he's got it.
Stay if you want.
Just checking his tangent here to see how he's going to come out. There's a 3 ball.
Looks like he's shooting.
Yeah, he got the
So he
ball.
can have the same issue.
Just wants to miss the purple 5.
And he
That purple 5's getting him.
we got him.
Actually was looking at that 5. He knew that the 5 was in play. I think he's got to come right where he's standing, 2 rails. And oh, is he going to come behind the 9? Okay, I guess he's got enough of it to go behind the 9. Well, that worked out okay. He ends up with a decent safety out of it.
Kenny Hook asked to schedule this match early because of the football game, Dallas game.
Oh, right. Yeah, we got
And
Bobby likes Dallas, right? He wants to watch his team.
we stepped out of the booth right now, Kenny, so we don't have an answer.
Yeah, I want to say it just worked out that way, but you never know. He might have. He is a rabid fan for the Cowboys.
Work for it.
Yeah, right. Kickoff like 20 after.
Yeah. Well, I think it's funny that they're using jump kick.
Dito nga mukhang magpa-play safe itong si Lucas Burner at alanganin ang posisyon sa 3, no? Mukhang magmamasay siya dito or magja-jump shot. Panoorin natin ang diskarte dito ni ayun nga, nag-bank shot siya. Unfortunately, hindi pumasok. At dito may chance ngayon si Reyes na mapasok niya itong 3, no? Long shot ito mga kabilyard. Tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan ni Reyes yan.
These champions nowadays, great.
Get the ball up in a hurry.
So quick with not much power at all.
Right.
We used to have to jump on a whole queue, and we had to hit it hard to get over. Now it's just another shot. These are the shots I gotta be tough for it. Long shots.
Yep.
And he hit it good.
He ends up pretty good on that 4-ball.
Yeah.
The 7-ball's going to be not that it's terrible hard, but that's the only thing that could present a little bit of a challenge.
And 7 to the
Because you
8.
got the 8. Yeah, you got the 8-ball issue right by the 7. But it's very manageable.
Oh, he hits it.
Going to help the 8 out a little bit.
They have to go back and forth. Okay. Perfect.
I just want to see how he does the 6 to the 7 here.
I would just leave it cue ball at center. of the
Center
table.
ball.
Yeah,
Just
just
figure you're going to hit a couple of rails. Yeah.
get it to the middle of the table.
Past the first part of it.
At dito naman mukhang nakaabante ng pagkakataon si Reyes. Aiming siya ngayon dito sa ball number 7 at makikita natin last 3 ball ito. At may chance ngayon si Reyes na umabante at mauna sa top of the hill, no? Aiming si Reyes sa 7 para sa 8 mga kabilyard.
Years ago to show me.
Yeah, I got that was mine.
Was it that jump rod?
Yeah, I
it
gave
was,
it
it was primitive
I
looking.
gave it the top.
Isn't that funny?
It did jump the ball pretty good.
It was like what a caveman would walk around with. He said it came out of New York City. He thought. Nice, navigating this beautifully.
At dito nga last ball si Reyes, mukhang mauna siya sa top of the hill. 5-5 ang score, lamang si Reyes ng tira dito. At ito lumamang pa ng isang puntos. 6-5 na mga kabilyard, no? At nasa top of the hill na si Reyes. At dito nga magbe-break si Reyes para sa final rock. Makikita natin dito talagang malakas din yung tira ni Reyes dyan sa break na yan. Unfortunately, walang pumasok. Kaya back to table itong si Burner.
Imagine how he'd be doing in this match. You know, he's still up a game without a break. He's got a pretty open table.
It's tiny definitely got to worry about the games. Got to get back on 3
I think the 7's the worst of it. It looks like.
on the side. Yeah, the 6 from 7, 8 it could be a problem. He has to be on the right side at 7.
Does he draw and stay in front of this 8-ball, or does he try to go around it or go into it?
I think okay.
He went around it. 6. Yeah, see? A little flat. I'm going to just accept the longer shot, and it's going to be a steep shot.
And I thought if he did it bumped into the 8, but had the angle on the shot to get to the next.
Right?
I thought that's why he was up.
Now, what about the 7? Does it pass the 9?
At dito nga mukhang nakakuha ng chance at momentum si Burner, no? Meron chance siya ngayon na maranout ito at tumabla ng score dito kay Reyes. 6-5 ang score natin ngayon mga kabilyard. Lamang si Reyes ng isa na sa top of the hill na siya. Pero mukhang may chance na magkaroon tayo ng hill-to-hill match dito dahil napakahusay, no, nitong kalaban ni Reyes na ito, si Lucas Burner ng US. Invitational match ito para sa isang money game, $30,000 ang pwedeng mapanalunan dito. Race to 7 lang ito mga kabilyard at ito nga nakuha ni Burner yung chance na makapag hill-to-hill match dito kay Reyes, no? At kapag naipasok niya itong 9, siya ang may advantage sa break, no? Mukhang may chance pang talunin ni Burner itong si Efren Bata Reyes. Napakahusay talaga at nakahabol pa itong si Burner dahil sa husay niya. Yun nga, 6-all na tayo dito at makikita natin nag-break si Reyes doon sa corner pocket, may pumasok at tingnan natin kung makabawi dito ng puntos itong si Burner.
I think this was just a one and done. All day tomorrow, I know he's doing
Challenging
Learning
exercise.
exercise.
Oh, okay.
he's doing something. I would think he just got off the plane and drove right here. He hadn't even rested yet.
Yeah, by the way, anybody out there that that's interested to get together and you can investigate what's available, call Lisa or Bobby right here at Yale Billiards, Wallingford, Connecticut.
Nice. Effort 66 now.
No, he's
His-
older.
His age changes with you.
Yeah.
Like Larry Muscati.
He's listed as 68 years old.
Listen, I don't know what they're playing for. I know there's money involved. They didn't tell us how much.
Wow.
Okay. Well, I would have bet Lucas on the bench, but I
Absolutely.
so far moved wrong.
You playing safe or is he shooting?
He shoot. Yes. Okay. He was shooting. Maybe not.
Is he in the?
At dito mukhang may scratch pa si Reyes. Yun nga, na-scratch siya. Mukhang napaka higpit ng laban at nagkaroon pa ng ball in hand advantage ngayon si Burner, no? Last rock na ito mga kabilyard. Tingnan natin kung ma-run out ito. Napakaganda ng table. Ang ganda ng layout. So, it's a matter of time na lang kung maubos ni Burner itong table na ito at maklaim niya yung price na $30,000 US dollars. So, sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Nothing preventing it.
You think he?
Thank you, everybody, for joining us on the Shark Stream. This is Brian the Kickin' Chicken. I'm sitting here with Bobby Hunt and Joe Rascio.
This shot is the key to winning this. Getting good on the next one.
Yeah, it's going to take a little stroke.
Actually,
Did it
Lucas has been traveling a lot more recently, and I do believe that is his plans.
I do think if he was a player, he shouldn't be living. It's not. He's good. I think he should be. There's a lot of good players. A lot.
At dito nga aiming sa 6, last 4 ball na lang si Burner at dito mukhang ayun kumagat doon sa 8 na scratch pa talaga kung mamalasin ka nga naman. At dahil dyan, ball in hand advantage kay Reyes. Alam na this mga kabilyard.
I'll take Efren.
Yes, this is Cesar Morales.
Cesar Morales is on the hill. Thank you very much to our feature sponsors, Viking Qs.
At dito nga tutok na itong 7 para 8, no? Mukha talagang minalas doon si Burner. Konting pagkakamali lang ni Burner doon, kumis lang sa 8 na scratch. Ito na. Mukhang si Reyes pa talaga mananalo dito sa final rock na ito mga kabilyard. So, ganun pa man, pakicomment nyo dyan sa ibaba. Talagang kailangan ba nila ng rematch? At makita natin, mahusay din itong si Burner, no? Minalas lang sa last ball niya. Pasok yung panalo si Reyes. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you for tuning in.